Welcome back. Once again, this is going to be a very short video on just one of the utilities in the ACU. Today we take on, this is the big event. Today I took on the OpenCV's create samples and the trainer, OpenCV's trainer itself. Now the one thing you have to remember as you watch this is that it produces the exact same results as OpenCV. As a matter of fact, it is OpenCV. It's built on top of it, Alluvion. It's an Alluvion thing. So you get the same results, but the journey is much easier. Okay, so let's begin. Let's take a look at the ACU Trainer. Like many of the ACU utilities, it's project-based, so you can create a project and easily return to it some other time to finish it up. All you really need for the ACU Trainer to work is a list of your positive files, a list of your negative files, and where you want the classifier. Now, there are other parameters that you can set, and here I might as well just show you, here they are. You can change anything you want, but these are reasonable values here. You will probably start from here and tweak it a little bit, but if you get messed up, you just hit reset defaults and it goes right back. All right, so while we're here, let's go to project again. And I want to show you what the hammer.txt looks like. There we go. All right. Now, the way it differs from OpenCV's positive file is, number one, and the most important thing is that it is all the files are, you need to complete path to the file instead of just making it relative to the executable directory like it is in OpenCV. This allows you to easily put your pictures in the cloud or anywhere you want on a different machine. It makes it easy to access them. Besides that, the annotation, oh no, that's right. There's a comma here, you'll notice, which doesn't appear in OpenCV's positive file. And that allows you to enter file names and paths that have spaces in it. With OpenCV, a space you can't have spaces. It just doesn't work. All right, so that's what the hammer.txt looks like. All right, so let's just begin the training. All right, so the first thing it's going to do is, well, it's showing you some problems with files, and they do not cause the program to crash like OpenCV usually does and gives you bizarre error messages. But here we have a blurred image. Now, a certain amount of blur is often beneficial, in your model. But, well, you can set the amount of blur you want it to give you a message on. Like here is in settings, you have a blur threshold of 50. I think default is 55, if I'm not mistaken. So although blur is sometimes good, if it's excessive, it's not good for the model. Let's just go back up there again. That's probably not going to let us do it because it's going to keep jumping. Yeah. But anyway, it shows blurred images. It shows images that aren't annotated. And when a file doesn't exist, so if you want to, next time you do your run, your training, you can perhaps fix those. Okay, so now we're going to jump ahead here by a few hours and see what it looks like, after it's been running for a while. So let's just do that. All right, now we're at stage 7. We've been at it for 55 minutes and 30 seconds, and stage 7 is at 2 minutes and 1 second, and it's just running right along there. Now, you'll notice this chart here, and when the chart reaches this red line, your training stops. Going beyond that will not help you. So it just automatically stops when it reaches that point. You don't have to set the number of stages. It pretty much figures that out for you. Okay? Now, one other thing I want to show you, and then the video is over, is this. Every time you train, the ACU Trainer automatically creates a file for you. You don't have a choice. And what it is everything that's happening in the training. Here's your lists, your positive, negatives, where the classifier is going to go, all your settings. Then it shows you the file problems here that it had. There's a blurred, this one's not annotated, it does not exist. And everything that the trainer does, created 750 samples, is in this file. so that you have a record of how the training went. And it's just a text file, so you can actually, add things to it, like, this doesn't work, or whatever you want to do. But it's just a handy little thing for you to keep track of what's going on. Before, I always had a detailed spreadsheet with everything in it. It was so hard to maintain. This way, it just does it for you. So, and that is the trainer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to, at the end of this video, I'm going to put up some links to other videos for the other utilities. And if you have some time, check them out. I think you'll find them very interesting. Anyway, thanks for your time. Have a great day. Bye.